Hi there, this is our TOS universal mill, 3-phase, coming out of a training institute. It's got the swivelling table on it, the right angle head with the single axis tilt. It feeds and rapids to all the 3 axes. Very well known brand, very heavy, robust, go forever, easy to service and maintain. So this particular one has got a terrible paint job. It's peeled off over the years, but apart from that it's all very good. The only thing I noticed that it's missing on it is the wee threaded rod drawbars for your head and your horizontal arbor there, so someone can make them up with some threaded rod. So it's got the arbor supports in the arbor. I think that's a 27mm arbor shaft size. And yeah, 2 supports in the right angle head. We've also got some accessories as well that we'll be selling separately, a universal right angle head, and so with 2 axes, etc., a rotary table and a dividing head, but you'll see those photos under our accessories. So nothing too much to tell here. Here's your oil pump and your wee telltale there, your light, which isn't working, so possibly the bulb, I'm not sure. Feed controls, climb milling, spindle stop and start. You've got your feed controls here, and then which axes you want to feed, and also your rapid control here. Feed off and on for your table, and also you've got a duplicate of these on this side, so you can operate it from this side as well. Gear changes here and your ranges, main power on, your spindle direction and coolant. So I'll put power to it. So that's the main oil pump running. I'll switch the coolant pump on. That's the coolant pump on there and off. It's got all the travel stops on it and all your different axes which are working. I'll take you through the feeds first. Oh, actually, yes, I'll move things manually. So that's your up and down, and you cross there, and there's virtually no movement in that. That feels good. And your table here, which is nice to move, and very little movement in that as well. So that all feels really nice. So I'll start the feeds up. That's the feeds there coming out towards you. Obviously you've got your gear change here for your different feed speeds, which is nice and easy to operate. And I'll rapid it out to you. And neutral, feed, going in, and rapid going in. I'll take this handle off before it gets me, and I'll move that to the table. So like I say, you can have this in or out in regards to activating the table, and I've got it feeding that way. And rapid, feed, neutral, feeding back towards me now, and rapid, and now I'll change it to the table going up and down. So that's the table going up now at the moment, and I'll rapid it going up. And feed, neutral, feed down, and rapid down. So basically those are the feeds and rapids. When it's in the neutral position, the feed pump turns off. The feed, the motor turns off. So I'll take you through the spindle now. Here's your stop and start there. I've got it in reverse there. And turn the power off to it and change direction. So that's in the other direction now, the normal clockwise direction. So I'll take you through. So that was 45, that's 63, 90. Take you to the next range, and 125, 180, 250, next range, 355, 500, 710, next range, this is the final range now, 1000, 1400, and last one, 2000. So that's the spindle there, and the gearbox is nice to move in and out and sounds pretty good. And I don't think there is a lot more to tell you. It's got a wee manual oiler there, and that's pretty much it. So very heavy, robust mills, they go forever, very rigid and strong, and they've got the good features with all the feeds and axes and rapids in the axes.